Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about the Cloudfare.bat malware, right? So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. The Cloudfare.bat malware is a malicious batch file associated with the delivery of the X-Worm remote access Trojan, right? That's the rat, which is part of a broader phishing campaign leveraging Cloudflare tunnels for malware distribution. Now, the key characteristics, the threat type, right? The batch file is used in multi-stage attacks to deliver X-Worm, a rat sold as a malware as a service. So X-Worm enables attackers to steal private information and files, hijack accounts like MetaMask and Telegram, monitor user activity, deliver mechanism, right? The way it delivers it is the attack chain begins with phishing emails containing malicious URLs or attachments. These lead to the execution of the .url, .lnk, .vbs, .bat, like the Cloudfare.bat. So, or CMD files, right? Ultimately deploying Python scripts and the malware payload. So Cloudflare tunnels are exploited to obscure the malware's delivery path, making it harder for network monitoring tools to detect. Now, the technical details are as it goes, right? The batch file contains long ASCII text lines, with CRLF, line terminators, and executes commands through Windows PowerShell. It uses advanced encryption and compression techniques to decrypt and execute payloads. Now, in regards to user interaction, the attack requires significant user interaction, right? Such as clicking on links, unzipping files, and executing scripts, which increases the likelihood of detection if users are cautious. Now, here are the complications or the implications from a broad standpoint, right? The use of Cloudflare tunnels highlights an increasing trend where legitimate services are abused to evade detection by security tools. So this method allows attackers to bypass traditional firewalls and antivirus systems by using trusted infrastructure. Now, you can detect and remove the Cloudfare.bat malware, right? And to do that, run a comprehensive antivirus scan using up-to-date antivirus software, right? Many reputable antivirus programs can detect and remove this type of malware. Now, before I proceed, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button if you got what you came here for and you are educated and entertained. If you got what you came here for, you're happy, and you know what, clap your hands, hit that subscribe button and the like button. So, you can use the Windows PowerShell to check for suspicious processes and files. So open PowerShell as administrator, run the following command to list all running processes. Peter, please put that code on the screen. If any suspicious processes are found, terminate them using Peter, please put that code on the screen. Now, search for and delete any files named Cloudfare.bat on your system. Peter, please put that code on the screen. So check your system for unusual network activity, especially involving Cloudflare subdomains or tunneling services. So review your browser extensions and remove any suspicious or unfamiliar ones. You can also update your operating system and all software to the latest versions to patch potential vulnerabilities. If you suspect your system has been compromised, change passwords for important accounts, especially those related to cryptocurrency wallets or sensitive information. Now, you can also enable Windows Defenders, the real-time protection, and perform regular scans to prevent future infections. You can also educate yourself about phishing schemes and avoid opening unsolicited links or files, as this malware often spreads through phishing campaigns. Now, the mitigation strategies, again, enable antivirus scanning and content inspection on networks using tools like Cloudflare's Zero Trust platform. Educate users about phishing schemes and discourage opening unsolicited links or files, right? This is very important, guys. I gotta repeat it because, hey, it takes many times for you guys to get it. Now, monitor unusual network activity, right? Especially involving Cloudflare subdomains or tunneling services. Now, the common signs of malware infection, you have slow performance, right? Your device becomes sluggish, freezes, or crashes frequently. Unexpected pop-ups, random advertisements or error messages appear even when an ad blocker is enabled, and browser changes, right? Your homepage changes without your consent, new toolbars appear, and you are redirected to unintended websites. We have unusual software behavior, right? Programs open or close without your permission, or new applications appear that you didn't install. There's also storage issues. You suddenly have limited storage space, or files disappear unexpectedly. If you are happy, if you got what you came here for, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. See you in the next video.